Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or Idlefish. And in this video, I will show you on how to create and how to verify your Xianyu or Idlefish account and a complete rename verification and how you can start shop on that Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. This is going to be a complete rename verification or rename authentication and how you can create an account with Xianyu app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead. If you are using Android phone, just go ahead and open up your Play Store. So I'm using Android phone for this particular tutorial. If you are using iPhone, you can follow all along with the same procedure. So if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. If you are using iPhone, go to Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. So having clicked on your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to click on search right here. Then come to search app and game and type in Xianyu and hit on search. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on the first result right here and you are here. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and hit on install. So I'm going to click on here now to install. So after a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. And it's going to take you right here. Click on here to proceed. Just like what you see right here. Then hit on allow. Then here, what you need to do right here is to tap on this particular small dot right here. Then authorize your Alipay link. Then click on agree. And you are in. It's that simple. Head to my profile, and for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. Then it's going to take me right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on here. Then it's going to take me right here. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, tap on here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this red button icon and make sure you face the camera for a selfie verification, which I'm going to do straight up. So I'm going to click on here now. Then here, you will need to upload your passport data page just like what you see right here. This is an example. I will click on here now. Then I'll make sure I position my passport for scanning. So you can see how I scan my passport right here. Once you scan your passport, click on here to upload. Then click on next. Now it is now face verification. What you need to do next is to make sure you click on here. Then position your face. Now it is under review, just like what you see right here. So within the 24 hours, they will get back to you with the result. Once the verification submitted is completely done, verified fully, then you can start chat with the seller on Xianyu app, you can click on this yellow icon right here to fill your detail. So you can see your detail right here. Everything has been submitted, and while you wait for the confirmation by Xianyu team. After that, you can start chat with the seller on Xianyu app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import, ship products from China using Xianyu app, 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.